Okay, so this is where the fun begins. This is where we get our hands dirty. And we're going to build together, starting from scratch, step by step, an AI agent with a advanced workflow enough that there will be multiple steps with text classification, AI interpretation, sending out the data, running tests, taking a look at input-output flows with schema and JSON, and just seeing how everything comes together with an extremely powerful tool called N8N. It's a platform, so I want you to go to N8N.io, and you're going to come to this page over here. Now, if you've never heard of what N8N is, worry not. We're going to go through this now and talk about it. It's basically for workflow automation, and it provides you with incredible tool access and integrations that streamline. So you have access to everything here, very low code, but has highly advanced performance. And then the AI agent integration on it is exceptional. It's like so powerful that I can't wait. I'm very excited to show you what you can do with this. You don't need to be an advanced programmer, or even you really don't need to know any coding. We will go over basics and fundamentals, but of course you could skip through that if you're already a seasoned expert. So we're on N8N now. What is it? What is this platform? So imagine you have a robot that helps you automate tasks, like sending emails, updating a spreadsheet, or organizing your calendar, okay? Now imagine that robot is super flexible and can connect different apps and services without needing any coding skills, okay? That's basically what N8N does and is, all right? It can it can streamline so many apps for you and services. You're gonna see. And if it's not there, you can of course always program in custom codes and function nodes, as we're gonna see, that then connect to APIs. You can customize that as well, but it really has so many streamlined integrations that the majority of what you're gonna be using on an enterprise level or a professional level or a personal level is already integrated. That's why it's fantastic. So this is an open source program. It's basically an open source automation tool, and you can create workflows between different apps and services. All right. So what do I mean by the different apps? Well, Gmail, Slack, Google Sheets, Twitter, Telegram, WhatsApp, Meta, whatever you can think of, they pretty much have it, at least in the mainstream. And we're gonna be demonstrating this. We're gonna be using Google Calendar and Gmail, and I'm gonna show you how to hook that up. Now, I'm not going to go into what Gmail is or Google Calendar is. I'm assuming that you have both of those things. If not, you're going to need to make a Gmail account, and then just go to Google Cal, and you'll be able to set up your Google Calendar, which I think gets automatically set up with a Gmail account anyway. But if for whatever reason you're not sure, you can just go to Google Calendar and set it up. I'll show you that as we go, but it really shouldn't be complicated.